We have 4 incredible new models to show you here in Ho'opili, and I'm excited to show it to you because we've dropped hints about it and we've talked about it a little bit, but Uluwehi is here to stay and going to be selling for the entire rest of 2026. So with that, come along and explore the different floor plans they have to offer, the different amenities, and really everything to experience in the Ho'opili neighborhood here itself. So let's dive into the video. If this is one of your first time watching one of my videos, hi, my name is Marina Tolentino, and I've been doing real estate for the last 6 years here on Oahu. And one of the things about this channel that's so much fun is we get to keep showing you everything new that's coming to Oahu. So whether that's new construction, new restaurants, you name it, there's just always something to share. And so every single Friday I drop a video on YouTube. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video. So let's dive into Uluwehi and what makes it special compared to all the other condos that D.R. Horton has built in Ewa Beach. Number one, I think the biggest impact is that you have open breezeways on the stairs, and so it's not like enclosed like Nahele. You really get, fresh air as you go up all the way upstairs. And then more importantly, each unit is a single level. So let's say your unit's on floor 3. You're not gonna have stairs within your unit. Everything's gonna be flat within once you get up the stairs. And so that's really ideal too, just for I think proximity, especially with some of the other builds. I know it's been a complaint of like, well, my child's upstairs and I'm downstairs and I wanna be next to them. You're gonna find that here, which is really nice. The other thing, let's talk about location within Ho'opili. So if we show you the greater Ho'opili map and the master plan, you're gonna see convenience is key with this location. So right when you drive into the main entrance, you go under the rail station, you've got the Element Rentals right there, and you've got the coffee shop. Just take an immediate right and you're not gonna miss it. Right now there's obviously the sales flags outside, so you're gonna see where those model homes are located, but it's really easy on and off access for the freeway. And then just walkability, we have a number of parks within a couple of blocks. So over at Kohina, we have the what is it called? Bark and Play, I think it's called, the dog park. And then you have the toddler tot as well, which is really great for kids under age 3. And then if you just go a couple more blocks, we have the pool down below and then the larger parks available as well. So when you're looking at location within the master plan, super convenient. Oh, I forgot to mention Festival Street is just 2 blocks away. So if you want that boba tea, or if you want to hit up those farmers markets and those seasonal events, you can do it all on foot. You don't have to get in the car to go do all the fun things that the community can offer. What else is great about this is obviously the rail. I kind of mentioned it, but you are just a couple of blocks away from multiple stations actually. And if you choose to go with the one that's by the entrance, I mean, literally just cross the street, hop on it. It's really ideal for people who are going, to the stadium and kind of past that. And so I've heard a number of active duty are actually using it now to go to Pearl Harbor and Hickam, which is awesome. You can take the train there, get off, and just take a bus shuttle onto Post. So it really does save you, honestly, up to 2 hours a day sometimes of sitting in stop and go traffic if you're in those peak rush hours. So now for a couple bucks, you can get on, scroll your phone, listen to a book, whatever it is, and just relax on your way to and from work. And I think that's a huge driver and a sign of all the additional infrastructure and the demand coming to the Kapolei and Ewa Beach area, that is a huge saver and incentive to live here. Other fun fact about Ho'opili that most people don't know is that we are still in the very, very beginning phases of this community. So as of June 2026, we only have about 3,500 homes built and completed out of 12,000 total. And so just recognizing, I think, investor strategy is just knowing you're still in the beginning phases, you're still getting ground zero pricing on things. And so if you're purchasing a property in 2026, what do you think the value is going to be like in 2031 and in 2036 when we're 5 and 10 years down the road? You're going to be sitting on a nice nest egg of equity that you didn't have to do anything for other than keep your property. And the biggest perk of new construction is it's under warranty. All of your appliances are covered for at least a year. Construction warranties for 10 years. And again, you're just really making a strategic investment more than just a roof over your head. So keep that in mind too. So let's dive into, what's available as far as price points, the bedroom sizes, you name it. We have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom here at Uluwehi. And the lowest one available today, I just looked, was listed for $489,000. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, ready to move in July 2026. It's 572 square feet and HOA, get this, $225 a month. Plus you have your community fee of, I think it's about $82 on top of that. So really, really affordable when we're talking about competition on the greater area. So if you're shopping, Ocean Point, Ewa Beach, or Makakilo, you love the area, but we're looking at older homes at this point. Those are 20, 25 years old. But at Ho'opili, you're able to get a really great maintenance fee, and it should stay, under $500 a month for quite some time. Now let's look on the high end. The biggest floor plan available now is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for 1,056 square feet, and the list price is $685,450. So right underneath $700,000. But again, maintenance fee is really competitive. It's only $415 a month, plus the Greater Ho'opili Community Association as well. So for less than $500 a month, you're getting a 3-bedroom for that HOA, which is really, really nice. And then there is a lot available. So if I just show you, there's like 3 pages available right now. There is a lot to look at. There's a lot to consider, whether what floor you're on or what floor plan you like, lots of different options. So let's dive into the 4 different models and show you what it could look like to live in Uluwehi. So let's show you what a 3-bedroom looks like, just so you get a taste and feel of like what it's really like to live here. So this unit specifically is where the sales office is located. So you're gonna come here, talk to the agents, get a feel for the inventory, but you get to touch and feel and open and see all the things. So you're gonna notice there's appliances already included. It comes with the price. That's not an extra thing you have to pay for. It's all Whirlpool family, so it's consistent. You've got the fancy microwave, and this one does air fries and everything. Like, these are fancy schmancy. You've got the full range here as well, and it also air fries, and it does something else fun. Air reheat, air roast, you name it. It's just so many amenities. You got the big deep sink here. Again, the dishwasher, full fridge included, just to show you guys, really what to expect. Obviously, this is sales office, so it doesn't come stocked with drinks, but if you buy with me, I'll buy you some drinks. But again, just to reference size, right? So you've got total ample room to cook and play and entertain, and it's all open for guests too. So you're not blocked off into a little galley kitchen. You can actually do it all in one great space. This island specifically is probably 6 feet long. So easily you can sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people if you want to cram them in. And then being on the ground floor is great because you have access to a little lanai. It's not fenced in like a private yard, but perk is you don't have to take care of it. That's what your HOA does, is they do all the landscaping outside for you. And then walking into living room, we've got split ACs in every single room too, so you don't have to worry about that. Dual pane windows, so the noise insulation is awesome. And it really is just perfect to live on the first floor, especially if you have a dog and you wanna just go outside and walk them really quickly. Easy access in and out, and you've got the 2 entryways. So let's go down the hallway and I'll show you what is in the closets over here. So right here we have massive storage. This is a huge perk, because keep in mind, we don't have garages at Uluwehi, but this is where you can store some of those big things that might not fit elsewhere. And then on this side, we have water heater and your Whirlpool washer dryer. So again, just everything within your unit, convenience, a little bit of extra storage, but not too much. So continuing down the hallway, we've got 3 bedrooms, right? We have bedroom number 1 with a nice big closet in here. Bedroom number 2, which again, this is sales office, so they've set it up as desks, which you can see. But really good sized space. Ceiling fans don't come included, but it's just gonna be an outlet that you can choose your own and install them after you move in. And the big deep closets, which we will show you. And this one actually has the drop zone, which is not in every single bedroom. So this is a nice little perk. And then reversing out, you have your full hall bathroom here, which this is actually bigger than most bathrooms. You'll notice there's extra space. You could put an extra storage cabinet if you want. The full tub and shower system. Again, it all comes pre-stocked and everything, so you don't have to add anything once you get here. And then going into the primary, so this is gonna be your master retreat. Full bathroom ensuite in here. It is a single vanity, so just 1 sink in this one. But again, lots of space here, and it's really meant to just be move-in ready. The other perk of being on the end unit is you also have extra windows on the end. So if you were in the middle, this one would probably just have 1 window that gets you outside. But if you're on the end, you might have an extra window or 2. So fun facts. Okay, so this wraps up the 3-bedroom tour. So you get to see a little example of that. let's move on to the next home tour. All right, so now we're here in a 1-bedroom just to show you a little contrast of difference. So right immediately you have this huge drop zone here, which is an added value. I mean, you can put the shoes down below, you name it, and then coming into this big open kitchen. And so again, everything comes pre-stocked with appliances, with the sink, with the fridge, you name it. A little bit of a smaller island here, but still it's a 1-bedroom. You can easily seat 4 friends and entertain, wide open living concept. I love this unit. Honestly, it's such a big 1-bedroom that it really feels like a home. And so as we go throughout, you're gonna just notice like, wow, there's a lot of space and there's a lot of storage. So come down the hall. This is your official first bedroom and only bedroom. But for reference, this is a queen bed. And then you've got ample room for 2 nightstands with room to spare for the plant or whatever. The AC comes with it. Obviously in the models, we have fancy lighting to show you inspiration. It's just gonna come with that plug, but you can choose your own light fixtures. And then as we go down the hall, come along, we have a massive walk-in closet here that has your laundry inside of it. So hot water heater, extra storage bonus, and then again, your full bathroom, which as a 1-bedroom, this is epic, you guys. Like this doesn't exist on the marketplace as far as the amount of space and storage for a 1-bedroom and at this price. So I love the 1-bedroom option. Now we're in a 2-bedroom, just to show you again. We had the 3, the 1, now the 2. So again, very similar concept. This is actually almost a copy-paste kitchen of the 3-bedroom. So same size, same amenities. I didn't mention, but this is totally a pantry too. So you have really deep cabinet space. Quick hack for you, if you go on Amazon, there's actually like a wire drawer you can install so you can reach to the back and things don't get lost. That's what we did in our condos. So great kitchen space. Again, open concept to the living room here. You got the split AC. I didn't even mention 9-foot tall ceilings all throughout. That makes a difference, especially when you're touring like a resale condo versus Ho'opili and DR Hortons. You're gonna notice the ceiling height. It really does impact just space and overall feel. So come down the hallway. We have bedroom number 1, which they staged so cute as a nursery. But again, just to give you design concept and idea and an idea of scale, totally lots of space. And you can see online in the brochure the square footage for each room, so you get an idea. And then coming down the hall, we have full bathroom here. 1 vanity as well, but more than enough for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And then we've got laundry in the hall closet, same as before. The full complete whirlpool, washer and dryer, stackable. Again, this comes with it. Most new construction in the mainland, you gotta buy all these things yourself. Even places like Koa Ridge, not every appliance comes stock with the condo, so just recognize that is built into the price. And then last but not least, I think this is my favorite staged room out of all of the models at Uluwehi, is our primary retreat. So lots and lots of space, and they did a really fun job at the design in here, making it very jungle-esque. But this is a queen bed for size reference, and you'll notice still plenty of room to do a king and extra space on the side. This room has got to be almost 20 feet long before you get to the bathroom. It's just lots and lots of space. Really good job of getting creative. And then you don't have 1 closet, but you actually have 2 closets. So you got a big one here, and I'll say this is hers and this is his because the little one's a little bit smaller. But in fact, you have 2 vanities now finally in your primary. So it's different because the 3-bedroom only had a single vanity in the primary, but this one actually has 2. And then you do have the full scale bathroom experience as well. So just everything is well designed in the 2-bed, 2-bath, and it's ready for you to move in and enjoy it. So now we've got an interesting one. We've come up 1 flight of stairs and a second inside the unit. So the front door is actually down below the stairs. And then you're gonna come up to this 1-bedroom that is long and skinny, but very well thought out. So first things first, which you can't see, but we have a water heater right here. And so a little bit of bonus storage right off of the stairway. You've still got your dishwasher, your huge deep sink here, your range and your microwave and your fridge, and a little bonus lanai that's looking out into the parking lot. You do have a pantry here as well, so there's still ample storage. It's just all tucked along the wall side. And then you do have a little dining nook here too, so still space to eat and entertain. But this is really gonna be more of a floor plan for somebody that I think is younger, because again, 2 sets of stairs, and probably doesn't have the kids yet. It's just the 1 bedroom, so this is a great starter home. So let's go down further and I'll show you the living room and the actual bedroom space. So coming in right off the top of the stairs again, you come right into your living space, but it's just enough space for 2 people, to be honest. Anything more, you might be a little bit cramped. But again, I think the starter home price, this is what you're getting in to lock in and then have that resale potential in a couple of years, or even better, rental potential if you hold on to it long term. We do have the drop zone here, a little command center if you want to have this. The full bathroom, very cute, but just enough size for 1. In the bathroom, you're gonna notice there's a closet behind the door, and it's actually a surprise laundry. And so, I mean, it's a little bit tricky on the spacing here, but definitely still the same size full washer and dryer in your unit. But I would say you're not gonna store a ton of stuff here, right? Because you need access, but maybe you have a laundry basket on wheels, you can come in and out. But again, having it in unit and not having to go somewhere to do your laundry is a win-win. And then coming in hot, we have the actual bedroom space. So this is probably, I'm gonna guess off the top of my head, a 10 by 12 type of room. You still have the full closet behind us as well, which we will show you. And you're up on the 3rd floor. So kind of nice. You get a view now. This side of the building is looking at the Element, and then that side of the building is looking toward the parking lot. So obviously, depending which building you buy on, you're gonna have different views, but you have light on both sides of your space. You're not just crammed into one corner. So very unique and different from the other 3 models that we showed you. And so I wanna hear from you guys below in the comments what you think. Give me your feedback and tell me your favorite one. So that wraps up this video of the 4 model homes at Uluwehi. And I want to wrap this up with some fun incentives for you, because who doesn't love a good incentive? And I think D.R. Horton has been killing it with the discounts and the things they can give away. So right now, DHI Mortgage, which is their in-house lender, is offering a 4.99% VA rate. And then if you're doing a fixed rate conventional, it's 5.5%. So the 4.99 is automatically about a whole percent less than market rate right now. And then same thing on the conventional. I mean, you're in the 6s easily. And so you're able to save, I mean, I would say $100 to $200 a month difference by going with DHI Mortgage. Now, the other fun fact is that they have a fun program called Main Street Stars, which enables you to get an additional $1,000 closing cost credit for anybody who's active military, you're a first responder, or you work for the Department of Ed. So that's our firefighters, our police officers, our nurses, our doctors, and obviously active duty. And so that adds up. You know, not only are you gonna get a closing cost credit for working with DHI, you're also get an additional $1,000 back to you. So that just helps bring down your cash to close as much as possible. And then with that, if you guys are interested and you're like, yes, Marina, I wanna know more information, I wanna find out how much it's gonna cost me on a monthly mortgage, I gotta know that you exist, because 1, it's great that you watched this video and you learned something new, but I can't help you unless I know who you are, right? And so it's really important that you reach out and connect with me with the link in bio below. Set up a quick 5 to 10 minute call just to get to know you, talk story, and then I'll kind of help guide you through the new construction process. So you have not only someone to help you with emotional support, but you have my 6+ years and 25+ client experience of getting people into new construction at Ho'opili. Personally, we own 2 properties here ourselves, so I can say non-biased or biased as much as I want that we love this neighborhood, and I really see so much value for so many families who have chose to make this place home. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday with another video. Bye.